Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. And thanks especially to those of you who've been longtime subscribers. I just wanted to give you a quick update about what's likely to be happening to this channel over the next few weeks, potentially the next few months. Some of you may know that I retired from the University of Dayton this past December 2024. I served as a professor in both the electrical engineering and optics departments for just under 34 years. The University of Dayton is known as a Google school, meaning that our email, calendar systems, and other applications are managed through Google. Each of us have Google accounts. Since I've now retired, my Google account will be going dark, including this YouTube channel. Sometime over the next few months, these videos on this channel will simply disappear. However, I want to preserve them. I have another channel I call the Flint Striker channel. It's mostly a channel focused on some outdoor activities, my scout troop, and fun things I like to do in the outdoors. I'm going to be reposting all of these videos over on that channel in order to preserve them. I'm hoping that those of you who have enjoyed these videos over the past several years will go over there and subscribe, and I'll put a link down in the description of this video to my private channel, my personal channel, I guess, as well as to the playlist that will hold all of these videos. So I hope I'll see you over in the new channel, and thank you again for tuning in, and a special thanks to those of you who have been long-term subscribers. Please feel free to continue sending me questions. I'll be happy to answer them as best I'm able. Good night.